Everyone has this electronic waste in their drawer, laggy, slow, battery dead, but you can't bear to throw it away because it's full of memories. Today, I'll bring it back to life, making it even better than your main phone. Step 1. Use G-Byte Deep Repair Mode to thoroughly clean up system junk and errors. This is like giving your phone a deep cleaning. Many lag issues are actually just system malfunctions. After the repair, it boots up normally. Step 2. Use its data recovery function to rescue all those old photos, videos, and chat logs that you accidentally deleted but still have in iCloud. These memories are priceless. Step 3. You can turn it into a learning machine for your child, a backup phone for the home, or a car music player. Don't let your old phone gather dust in your drawer. Give it a second life with G-Byte. If this post gets over 10,000 likes, I'll release a detailed tutorial to teach you how to turn your old iPhone into the ultimate smart home controller.